What's going on, guys? It is the Fish. This is our second Modern Horizons set booster box opening. Our packs are a little wacky over here, but who cares? They are all gonna get opened anyway. We got our sleeves all set. First pack. Just gunning for it here. Brea's Apprentice for our rare. Out of Time. Foil Tavern Scoundrel. Ustri Fortune's Flame for our rare. Got a counter spell and Bottle Golems. Verdant Command. Gift Blade Prowler for our foil. Dakin Shadow Slayer for our mythic. And the old version Rishgun Dockhand. Elder, got a Flame Rift foil, and a Triplicate Spirits. Terrible card from the list. Oh, we got a little art card, signed Squirrel Dude. This is the Squirrel Sovereign. Put that off to the side over there. We got a Nithos Paragon. And the sword that we wanted!
Old school sword!
Old school sword! Nice! Sword of Heath and Home. We got it. And we are very happy. There's some foily stuff. I don't know what it is. We'll see. Solitary Confinement. For our rare, Faithless Salvaging. Oh my god, Mist Vault Bridge. I hate when they do this.
It's indestructible.
It's indestructible. Damn, I really thought that was a foil Misty Rainforest. Not yet. Not just yet, guys. It's okay. We're definitely happy about that sword, though. Yavimaya, Cradle of Growth. A Nevinthral's Disc, a foil Mount Velis Manticore. Didn't really get too much good stuff from the list, I'm pretty sure, in our last box. Hopefully we'll get some better hits from the list in this one. We got a Void Mirror. A foil Recalibrate. Arid Mesa for our fetch land. Foil captured by Lagax. And a pillage.
You know, they could have used RKF's art from Pillage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Resurgent Belief, a Diamond Lion, Sea Drake, blah, 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 and a foil Scour the Desert.
I don't know if anyone remembers, but Sea Drake used to be $25
Really?
for some insane reason.
Why? Why was Sea Drake return target 2 target lands you control to their owner's hand?
I don't know. It was 3 mana for a 4/3. That was good back then.
Back in the day. Back in the day when there was no Modern Horizons. Dress Down.
It's from Portal. Oh, nice.
Piercing Rays.
Great to have in foil.
Looks like we're gonna get something from the list here. Listy boy. That's what that is.
Yeah, name that with Python Needle.
Harmonic Prodigy. Nice. This is our second Harmonic Prodigy. A Goblin, Bombardment, and a Factor Fiction. Oof. I was seeing people pulling like Aether Vials and nutty stuff. Goyfs. Oh, that is our second art card with a Sig on it. Abundant Harvest. Foil land. Gaia's Will. Another sword! 2 swords in 1 box. Look at that.
So you only need 1, right?
I only need 1. Who wants this one? Let me know in the comments. Sword of Health and Home. Greed. Ooh, foil Glimpse of Tomorrow. Okay. Okay, not too shabby. Cracking double swords in this box, guys. Another Dakin. We got one of those in our first box if you want to go and watch that. It has a signature, but it's not your just normal signature. You'll have to go back and watch the video to find out. Dormoxta. Korean Rangers, a foil Unholy Heal, and a Godsire.
I did not know the Godsire was on the list.
I did not either. Oh, the regular one of these art cards, not signed. Whoa, this, okay, so there's no uncommons in this pack whatsoever except for these uncommons, or except for the mountain.
Yeah, sometimes you can get 6 uncommons and no commons.
Strange.
It's like a 10% chance.
Karth the Lion.
Oh.
Shadeless Agent, that's a nice one.
Yeah,
Oh,
Agent's good.
we got the time shifted Blazing Root Walla.
That's another MVP of this Madness Rakdos deck.
Madness. We're talking madness up in here, guys. That's what you're going to be when you see these prices drop. Chef's Kiss, Squirrely Mob, Urban Daggertooth. Bruh. You deleted the last video, right?
Yep.
Okay.
So there's room on my phone? Yeah. Aha!
Soul Talisman. A Sanctum Weaver.
So pushed.
Sweep the Skies. And a Arcane Teachings. No idea what that is.
They can't just make all of the list cards good. That would be insanity.
Do you think we're going to get a third sword?
3 sword box.
Do you think we're
Let's
gonna
go.
get a
Let's do
third
it.
sword? Did I ask for too much? Did I ask for too much, guys? I don't know. Another Ristron Dockhand.
Yep, someone's telling you to build Merfolk.
Yep. Tragic Fall for the foil. Tragic Fall. Okay. One fetch land box. I think it's time to change that right now, guys. Let's get a Misty Rainforest. Come on. Let's go. Let's do it. Necrogoyf. A Vernon Catacombs. Okay, we'll take that. We're happy with that.
Nice.
A time-shifted Aeromoeba. All right, 2/3 of the way done with this box right here.
Oh, nice.
We got a
big
Murktide
flying Tarmogoyf.
Regent for our Mythic, Chance Encounter, and an Abundant Harvest Foil. Okay.
So on the off chance that you don't recognize Chance Encounter,
There you go.
it's actually a reprint from Odyssey.
Nithos, Paragon, a Fire and Ice. I did not know that this was even a card. Ornithopter of Paradise, Prophetic Titan Foil. Come on, one big hit from the list. Let's go. It's happening right now. We need it. We want it. What's it gonna be? Is it going to be an Aether Vial? Is it going to be some other jank? Piru, the Volatile? What's it going to be, guys? Got the Foil Kitchen Imp. Very cool. Nice. And Veil of Summer.
Veil of Summer is nice. That is a hit from the list. I would say so. Probably a solid $10 right there. I know I could use another one in the sideboard of the deck I'm building.
Magus of the Bridge. Foil Arcbound Mauser. Wow. Only 4 mythics, guys. Only 4 mythics. It's time to catch up here. It's time to get this party going.
Another one.
Inevitable Betrayal.
Betrayal.
Oh!
A borderless.
Borderless
one.
Cabal Coffers? Okay.
Yes.
We take those. That is nice. It's so dark, though, guys. It is so dark.
It's all the swamps.
All the swamps in this one card here. And like I said, we were late to the Mythic party. Okay? There is some catching up to be done. At least one more. Void Mirror, Wonder, Foil Faithless, Salvaging. Only a few more packs in this box, guys. Can we pull the nutso? We'll see. Moderation. Glimpse of Tomorrow. Foil Burden Aerialist. The last box, the first box that we opened, we got 3 foil rares. And I may be mistaken, but I don't think we got a single foil rare yet. So, that is... Ooh! Thrasta, Tempest Roar. That's the mythic we needed to catch up.
You tell us in the comments how to land this on turn 1.
Yeah.
Modern.
Yeah, we want to know. Okay, we got a Gito Chronicler for our list card and a Glimmer Barn. So yeah, we still need a foil rare, and we still need another mythic. Academy Manufacturer, a Rip Tide Laboratory.
There's your Snapcasters that you can snap again and again.
Silver Bluff Bridge, not the foil rare, but we still have 2 more packs left, guys. We still got some chances here. Resurgent Belief, another diamond lined. Step through a Funnel Web Recluse. Last pack.
There's a Tarmogoyf.
It is a card from the list, guys. We gotta call out for the Tarmogoyf. Oh, another mythic. It happened. It came to the show. We got 7 mythics. Can we get a fetch land too? Oh no. Chainer, Nightmare, Adept. Chatterstorm. Oh, let's
Even better. Much
Oh
better.
my god! Oh my god, guys!
A foil.
Oh my
Misty
god!
Rainforest.
No, dude! It's a time-shifted foil Misty Rainforest.
Yeah, with the old border.
Oh my god!
This may just well be the best card that you could possibly get.
Oh my
in the entire
god!
set.
All right, so we hit our 3 fetch lands.
I guess so. Leave it up.
What's behind it, guys? Is it a Tarmy? It's a ruined Stalkaloy. Ugh. Oh man. Don't worry, guys. That is going to be getting put in a sleeve. Thanks for watching my video. I am the Fish. And please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. We're doing a free giveaway at 100 subscribers. Thanks for watching, guys.